you struggle with keeping your house clean? I think we all do. But do you clean and then it's messy again right away? I think it's because your system is working against you. Today, I'm going to show you what's actually causing the mess and how to fix it in simple, real life ways. Now, not all of these simple ways will work for you, but I think as long as we keep them simple, a lot of them will work for a lot of us. So most people think that they have a cleaning problem. They don't always. They have a system problem. You clean, you spend time, you get it looking good, and then life happens. Kids, work, cooking, laundry, everything slowly just comes back. So you can clean again and again. The cycle is exhausting. So in this video, I'm going to show you why your home doesn't always stay clean and give you a simple system that actually works in real life. Not Pinterest perfect, just something you can possibly maintain over time. Now, here's what's really going on. Some homes are set up for storage, not for daily life. Everything is tucked away, hidden, or takes too many steps to put back. It has to be as easy to put away as it is to leave out. So what happens? Things get left out, piles start, and before you know it, it feels overwhelming, especially with the piles, right? The issue isn't that you don't clean, it's that your home isn't set up to stay that way. I always feel like if I have an area that I've organized and over 6 months or a year, I cannot keep it or reset it because it's not always going to stay. But if you can't reset it with just one or two steps, then there's a problem with the system and I have to figure out a different way. I had that happen under my kitchen sink. It just wasn't staying neat and it because it wasn't easy to put back in place. So let me break this down into 3 simple reasons. First, too many steps, like I just said about under my sink. If it takes more than a few seconds to put something away, most people won't do it consistently, especially when you're tired or busy. Second, out of sight, out of mind. Some things, sorry, you have to readjust. Some things are just put away way too well, right? If your cleaning supplies or systems are hidden, you forget to use them. You don't see them, so you don't act. I'm an organizer, and sometimes I've organized things, and because I can't see where they're organized, it just takes me forever to find the items and then remember where I had them organized to put them back. So I have to use clear systems where I can see things easily. So the third is no reset system. Most people wait until things are super bad and then try to fix everything at once. Once you run out of all clean clothes, then you wash your laundry. Once you dirty up all the dishes, then you wash the dishes. That's not a sustainable system. So that's where the overwhelm comes from. Now, so here's what actually can work for you. You don't need to clean more. You need to reduce the friction. Let me show you how to do that. First, create what I call reset zones. Pick the areas you use the most, usually your kitchen countertop, your bathroom sink, and your main living space. Those are the areas that you use over and over. Your goal is not to clean the whole house every day. Your goal is to reset those zones daily. Second, make cleaning visible. Keep a spray bottle and a cleaning cloth where you can see them, not hidden under a sink. Now, that may mean make a pretty basket, make the containers pretty, You may spend a little extra to make it pretty, but then you can leave it visible and it's a cue to constantly keep it in use. Keep a spray bottle and cloth where you can see them, not hidden under the sink, maybe in a clear bin or a basket or bamboo, something where it says, okay, it's accessible. Now, third, use the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it right then. Wipe the counter, put something away, reset a small space. That's what keeps things from building up. And it doesn't always have to be perfectly. If you're doing a quick wipe down of the countertops, it's going to be somewhat clean. Then on a different day, you can do the deep down cleaning by moving everything and cleaning it deeply, but at least keep the maintenance going, right? Now, let's make this practical. After you brush your teeth, wipe the sink. That's 30 seconds. After you cook, spray and wipe the counter before you sit down. Before you leave a room, put 3 things back. And every time you leave a room, pick something up that's out of place and put it away. You're not adding a huge routine. You're just attaching small actions to things you already do. That's how this becomes consistent. And you can also take a laundry basket once you get up during a commercial, pick up everything that's out of place, put it in a laundry bag. Next commercial, put the things away. This is important. You are not trying to have a perfectly clean home 24/7. You are trying to have a home that resets easily. That's the difference. When your home is set up the right way, it doesn't take much to keep it under control. But when it's not, even small messes will feel overwhelming. Now, here's a quick win. Here's one thing you can do today. Pick one area, just one, your kitchen counter, maybe your bathroom sink, or your living room table. Clear it, reset it, and keep a cleaning cloth and spray right there. Now they have paper towels holders with the spray bottle right in the middle of the paper towel holders. So maybe you keep a thing of paper towels right there. Or now they've got bamboo covers that you can put wipies in. You can keep that right next to the vase of flowers on your table. All right. Yes. That alone will start changing how your home feels because it's easy to just wipe down your table. Now, if you want simple, real life systems that actually work, follow me, Fullerton Professional Organizing, right here on Instagram or on Facebook. On Instagram, though, it's Fullerton's Pro Organizing. Share this with someone who feels overwhelmed in their home. And if you're ready for help in person or virtually to setting up systems like this in your home, reach out and I'd love to help you simplify it. All right. That is today's video, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.